More and more consumers are choosing whole and ancient grains when it comes to baked goods, in part because of the delicious taste and texture they provide, in addition to the nutritional benefits. As low-carb diets and trends have grown, consumers are looking for new ways to enjoy bakery classics guilt-free. Ancient and whole grains are filling that need. Experts and consumers alike consider these grains to be healthier options, packing even more nutrients than products made solely from refined wheat. In fact, grain-based food sales have increased 58% globally over the past several years, indicating that healthy breads are here to stay. There's something about seeing whole grain on a food label that gives the consumer a sense of confidence. It can feel premium, like a guarantee that that baked good they're buying is going to be high quality, delicious, and healthy. While whole grains have been trending for quite some time, ancient grains are quickly rising to star status in the industry. Consumers are seeking a premium experience, and ancient grains are the bakery equivalent of a well-aged wine. Whether added to the crust or baked inside the dough, they can transform seemingly plain baked goods into a rustic and artisanal product that will continue to rise to the top of consumer shopping lists. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date with the latest food trends at thebakerstake.com.